Citadel. So for today's video, we are here in Hanoi. Nasa Hanoi na tayo, ang ating last stop ng ating Indochina trip. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Huan Kiem Lake. Located siya sa sentro ng Old Quarter. And mas maganda daw magala-gala dito ng 7 PM ng Friday hanggang 12 PM ng Sunday. Since pinagbabawal nilang dumaan yung mga cars. Dito sa harapan ko, ayan yung Ngokson Temple. 18th century pagoda daw siya. And accessible siya by Hook Bridge. Ayun yung red na bridge, wooden footbridge siya guys. And ayun yung dadaanan mo papunta dito sa temple. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Vietnamese Women's Museum. Yung matatagpuan sa loob nito ay yung mga importance ng Vietnamese women and their roles in the past, present, and future. So open siya every day. So 40,000 dong pala guys yung entrance dito. And then additional 40,000 dong for the audio guys.
If I could tell you, I don't think you believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay. And if I could show you, I'd hope that you could see all the possibilities. There could be a place for you and me. Under the stars, you pack up your car, 'cause you're going far away from here.
So hey guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-tingin-tingin and may tatlong part yung museum na to. Yung una ay women in family, so namin yung marriage, birth, yung family life, and then yung next naman ay women in history. So pinakita dun yung mga ganap or mga roles ng kababaihang Vietnamese during the French colonialism, American colonialism, and during the fall of Saigon. And then yung last part naman ay yung sa fashion na ng women. Libreng exhibition sila guys ngayon dito. Digital installation yung tawag.
There could be a place for you and me. I feel 100 degrees when you call my name, and I don't know where you see.
Hello guys, so nasa Highlands Coffee naman kami. Ang ganda guys ng view dito. Like, look at this. O, diba? You can see the busy street of Hanoi. Nagsa-sunset na, as you can see. Kaya ang ganda lalo ng view. Hindi ata masyado kita sa camera, pero ang ganda ng kulay ng sunset. We are here at the Imperial Citadel of Thang Long. Another UNESCO World Heritage na naman to guys. And earlier pala, pumunta kami dun sa Train Street. Unfortunately, closed siya guys. May bantay kasi dun sa pinaka-entrance ng Train Street. So, hindi kami nakapasok guys. Pero, ayun, may ibang foreigners na parang may susundo daw na coffee shop owners. And, ayun, ipupuslit sila sa loob. But ayun, may bantay siya. So right now, we are here at the Imperial Citadel of Thang Long. So guys, ang ibig sabihin pala ng Thang Long is dragonfly. And pinatayo siya during the Lee Dynasty. And this was used to be the workplace of the royal court and the residence of the king and royal families. 30,000 dong pala ang entrance dito per person. So let's go and check it out. So ito pala yung entrance nila. So may mga design na And, ayun, nakalagay dun ay Royal Port in Spring. So guys, open pala siya all days except Monday. And from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times.
So, meron sila guys ditong archaeological excavation and pinatungan nila ng glass floor. Pero bawal umakyat dito sa may glass floor. So, ganyan lang siya naka-display.
Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight.
Yung gitnang door pala, dun sa baba, ayun ay para lang sa hari. Yung next 2 doors naman sa military at civil mandarins. And then yung remaining 2 doors ay para sa ceremonial squads. Tingnan nyo yung landscape nila. Ang ganda. Mas makulay. Mas gusto ko to. Ang ganda. May mga ano pala doon, mga helicopter. Hindi masyado makita dito sa camera. Pero kitang-kita mo siya from here. And then, ito naman yung kabilang side niya, guys. Tingnan natin. Ganun din. May garden lang dito. Mas maunti yung tao dito kaysa dun sa kabila. So, ayun yung archaeological excavation. Ito yung gitnang part. May akyatan, guys, kaso sarado siya. So, hindi ka makakaakyat sa pinakataas. So, guys, may exhibition din pala dito. 1,000-year history underground.
Can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that still you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get in space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a
So guys, ang dami pala dito mga exhibition. Pagkatapos mo dito sa huli nating pinuntahan na Treasures of Tanglong Imperial Palace, meron pa dito sa side na yan. And doon sa kabila, meron na namang isang exhibition. So pag ikot mo ulit dito, meron na namang isa. Sobrang lawak din dito sa Imperial Citadel. Ang ganda nung pinaka-front na gate. Ang daming exhibition pagkapasok mo from iba't ibang dynasty. So ayun yung mga artifacts. Sunod, pinapakita rin nila kung paano nila na-retrieve yung mga artifacts. And karamihan doon nasa Red Delta River nila natagpuan. And may iba pang site na naguhukay pa rin sila hanggang. Hey guys, so it's already 5:30 and papunta kami ngayon ng night market. So 6 p.m. yung bukas ng night market. And naglalakad-lakad na muna kami dito. At the Bangkong Cafe and Restaurant, and tinry namin maglakad-lakad dito sa Old Quarter para makita yung night market. And medyo mahal din yung presyohan nila, guys. Kailangan mong tawaran. Guys, sobrang banas! Pero yung cafe na to, air-conditioned pala siya, guys. Pero nandito lang ako sa terrace kasi gusto kong picturean yung labas. And nasa 3rd floor kami. Yung 1st and 2nd floor ay for drinks lang. And then pag food, dito ka sa 3rd floor. So umorder ako ng egg coffee. Hindi ko pa natitikman yung egg coffee ever. So ayun, kailangan natin siyang itry bago tayo umalis dito sa Vietnam. So ito yung egg coffee, guys. Wow, ang fluffy.
Ketchup lang.
Parang nga pong pancake na isasalang pa lang.
Malamig ba yan?
Mainit po yung ilalim. Sarap! Try nating haluin.
Natin yung kape. Ayan.
Ayan. Ito na. Pag hinalo mo, makikita mo na yung kape.
Kapalis sila.
Tikman nyo. Matamis. Sarap na. Thank you. So, meron ditong flower shop. Guys, so umalis na kami dito. Tinake out na lang namin yung pizza. Ang tagal mag-serve kanina. Pero, ang sarap na egg coffee nila, guys. Pati yung smoothie na mango. Magagala-gala ulit kami. Maghanap kaming souvenir.